So today we're trying, wait, no. Okay, we're trying crazy new foods. A1 jelly and french fries. She has the same thing. She has a really wild thing. So we're all gonna try. She's gonna go first. Let's go.
So
one. Yeah, so let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. She already got it. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. You're good. How is it? Okay, me next. Let's try this. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Katie, you're up. I'm gonna try that monster. Hold over your plate. Go! Oh yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh yeah. And that was peas, french fries, jelly, and A1. And all combined into that little biscuit. Okay, that's crazy food testing today. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.